Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.